us paint together Artfully You.
Thanks Dean. Today we're going to paint a Northern Ontario sunset using block colour scheme on a red canvas. Start by painting a canvas completely red and letting it dry. Sketch out your design using black paint and emphasize the areas that are going to be the darkest. Add white where you want the lightest parts of the design to be. It may be that you're going to end up with these parts being yellow or a brighter colour, but you need a white undercoat, a bit like a primer, so that they stand out. Choose 3 main colours that you're going to focus on in the painting. So here I've started with orange, and start adding orange to all the areas, making sure that they're evenly displaced. Choose your secondary colour. Here I've chosen turquoise, and add those and make sure they're evenly displaced across the painting. Make sure that whatever colours you're putting in the, say, mountains, that you also incorporate into the trees and the sky and the water, so that the painting all marries together. The third colour I've chosen for this painting for the live demonstration is purple, and you can see I'm adding the purple in here. For the background colour I've chosen yellow. I want it to be a really nice sort of bright sunset kind of feeling. So I'm now cutting in yellow throughout my tree and sky, and getting rid of most of the red, but I do want little slivers of the red still shining through. I'm also going to paint the yellow over my white underpainting, and these are naturally going to really stand out as my light source. Just going to show you side by side 2 versions of this painting. On the right I used pinks, and on the left I used my more turquoise and oranges. So here I am. I'm now adding my second layer, so this is where the colours really start standing out because it's a second layer. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, click the like button and share with your friends. I'll see you for the next video.